Hi everyone, good morning. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Dau, Pampanga Property Guide. Magsaserve tayo ng client na magsasign na po siya ng contract to sell sa napili niyang property. So, last July 16, naghanap na kami ng property near Clark. So, ito yung mga proximity na malapit sa Clark na pinuntahan namin, which is the Philenbest. Yun kasi yung una nating madadaanan pagkalabas natin ng NLEX Santa Ynez exit. And the next one is the SMDC. And the third one is the Hamana Homes and the Highview Hacienda. So apat lang po yung options na binigay natin sa kanila dahil dun sa criteria na hinahanap ni client. So hinanapan natin siya kung saan yung fit yung gusto niya in terms of the community, the budget, kung ano yung niya, prepare niya na budget. So doon natin siya pinunta sa area na yon dahil yun po yung accessible kung talagang gusto mong malapit sa Clark International Airport. So unang pinuntahan namin si Philenbest. So actually maganda yung community ni Philenbest in terms of the community. Isa siya sa quiet and peaceful community. Then nagustuhan nila, but the thing is yung turnover, dahil wala tayong RFO unit sa mga Philenbest project natin. More on pre-selling tayo doon. Pinaka earliest na yung 15 months. So after the DP kasi ng Philenbest ng 12 months, magkakaroon pa yan ng 90 days para sa move-in process. And the next one na pinuntahan namin is Cheerful Homes 1 and 2. So we are focusing on the 2-story. So sa loft type ng Cheerful Homes 2. So nagustuhan nila yung community dahil ang lawak ng amenities ng SMDC. Then ma-enjoy na mo naman talaga yung doon, vibes ng community dahil we have almost nasa 1 hectare ata yung doon sa Cheerful Homes, yung amenities natin doon with the swimming pool, clubhouse, and ang lawak ng park. So yun po yung isa na gusto nila. But in terms of the house turnover, dahil yung house turnover natin doon is a loft type, bear type siya. So ayaw na nila kasing ma-stress in terms of the construction. Kasi sa ngayon, dahil medyo mahal na po yung materials natin, na before I'll quote for the Philenbest ay sa SMDC yung mga unit doon ng 600 to 800 pagdating sa house improvement, kasi talagang i-convert mo talaga yung unit natin sa SMDC. Hindi mo kasi siya matatawag na ready for occupancy dahil talagang once na yun ang pinurchase mo, you need to after ng full cash payment mo, may additional ka pa na i-prepare na kailangan mong ayusin yung bahay kasi hindi mo talaga siya matitirahan pa yung bahay sa SMDC dahil marami pa siyang kulang na mga gamit and hindi mo pa siya malalagyan ng mga materials or mga gamit mo, mga furnitures. So yun po yung naging nila dahil sa ngayon nasa 1 million to 1.5 million depende kung 2 bedroom yun o 3 bedroom ang gagawin mo doon sa unit mo. So open concept si SMDC Cheerful Homes. So yun po yung kagandahan, magagawa mo yung gusto mo na partition or space na gusto mo doon sa SMDC. But they are not siguro hindi sila para doon na property dahil we look on another side, pumunta kami ng Hamana. So si Hamana naman, yung mga ready for occupancy unit nila doon is fully finished na po. So that means pag sinabi mong fully finished, wala ka nang papagawa unless kung mag-improve ka, you want to extend your kitchen area outside dun sa back of the unit, and you can improve your parking area in front. So yun lang po yung gagastusin mo doon. Then in terms of the partition, the materials used, mas iba talaga kasi they are adopting the European standard ng construction materials. Kaya in terms of the tibay, mas nangingibabaw si Hamana Homes pagdating sa construction materials natin and not commercialized. So unlike other developer, they are using commercialized materials. Kaya mas mababa yung price and mas mabilis din yung nila return of the profit. So ganun po yung ano natin pagdating sa mga development. And yun nga po, we check the RFO units ng Hamana Homes and isa doon is nagustuhan nila. Then ito, we will check again pagkatapos ng contract of the signing nila, i-visit po natin yung napili nilang unit, bakit yun yung gusto nila and bakit gusto nilang mag-settle dito sa Pampanga. Dahil retired na si Mr. and Mrs. Daniels. So, pabalik-balik na lang po sila ng Kentucky, USA. So, tara, sundin natin sila sa harap ng City Mall para madala na natin sila sa Hamana Homes. Ang customer service office natin, so i-KYC muna sila, know your customer muna sila. So ayan po, hayaan muna natin sila kasi magkakaroon tayo ng interview dyan about sa ilalagay nila sa CTS ni Mr. and Mrs. Daniels. Welcome to Hamana Homes. First of all, I would like to congratulate you. So, Tyron and Rosette. So, question, why you purchase here at Hamana Homes? Okay, my wife told me about it, so...
Yeah. Why? Because the construction here is very excellent, and the place is very nice. The location is good. So I encourage my husband to have a viewing. So when we saw it, and we love the place, we love the house. So on that day, we have a reservation. We have a
Right, fresh air. This is our response. That's perfect. And how about my service?
Oh,
Yes,
excellent.
take care of us. So,
Yeah, he guide us, assisted us, and yeah, he has a good service.
good service. Always use it. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So, yun po, narinig natin about the customer kung bakit nila pinili si Hamana Homes. Actually, not only Hamana Homes, we are looked into during our property hunting. So we have so different properties and we fall in love into Hamana Homes. That's why we purchase. So congrats again and welcome to Hamana Homes. Okay, thank you. Tayo, going to terminal area. Palabas na tayo. Ito lang yung area natin along Mabalacat Magalang Road. Ganun po ka-accessible yung location natin. Itan lang po natin yung service. So lahat tayo dito sa yung mga unit natin dito is ready for occupancy na almost. paglakarin muna natin sila para ma-feel nila yung community. Kasi by next year, pag uwi nila dito is titirahan na po nila. And tayo din po yung gagawa ng improvement ng unit nila. Maglalagay ng aircons and everything dahil tayo po yung inatasan maging special power of attorney. So, just hintayin nyo po yung vlog ko doon kung paano yung maging design or ano po yung ipropose natin sa kanila na interior ng unit nila. So, this is Hamana Homes. This is a main entrance area, and this is our 1 hectare retail area. So yes, so this is the first one retail area. Yeah, so it will become a convenience store. Yeah, the first one. Yeah. Okay. So let's go. Mix.